Hey, welcome back to another week of our weekly market analysis in the crypto market, where we come on the charts and look at potential trading opportunities for the week. If you love the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let's get right into it. So this week we'll be starting with BTC, and we're doing a top-down analysis of BTC. And you know, I've said it over and over on BTC that BTC seems to have topped out for the year, and the only thing we can look at now is a move to the downside. So looking at this monthly candle that is going to close today is 31st of July. This monthly candle is going to close today. The candle is bearish and it has a little wick to the upside, which is telling you that, let's zoom that. You can see this candle is bearish and it has a wick to the upside, which is telling you about rejection. And looking at the candlestick pattern, this looks like a tweezer, even though this previous monthly candle, this candle for June, has a wick to the up and to the down. But then this looks like a tweezer formation, telling you the market is about to start rallying to the downside. So the potential movement in the market is something like this. Maybe a move to the upside a little bit and then a drop back to 20 or 19k zone. So that is what I am expecting on the market for the rest of the year. But that is a analysis for long-term holding or shorting rather. And if you look at the weekly time frame too, you see that the market moved up, rejected, and moved up again and started rejecting, which is giving us something like a double top formation. So if you look at this, you see that this is a double top and the market might just come down and to form a neckline around here. So you form a neckline around here. And you know, whenever you have something like this, all you have to do is wait for the market to break the neckline. Wait for the market to break the neckline. Look for a retest and shorts to the downside. And you know, when you have this kind of formation on a higher time frame, it actually plays out a lot on the higher time frame. It plays out a lot on the higher time frame. So this is what I'll be looking at for long-term basis on Bitcoin, because the market ran up, pulled back, tried to break this area again and got rejected, telling you that the bulls are weak and they don't have enough strength to push the market to the upside. So that is my bias on Bitcoin for the long time. So I'll be looking for an area where I can short Bitcoin and hold for a long time, which is one of the things I do. But then let's scale to the lower time frame and look for potential opportunities for this week. Let's look for potential opportunities for this week. Yeah. So looking at this chart on the daily, I think we can have something like a trend line to connect this area and this area. This is not absolutely perfect here. This is actually not perfect. So yeah. So something like this. So my bias on this is actually short. Nothing aside shorting. Nothing aside shorting. So I could be shorting this market if the market breaks this trend line and retest. So maybe something like this. If it does something like this, break out and a consolidation around this place, then a short trigger, and I'll be shorting targeting 25,000 zone. That will be my scenario for shorting Bitcoin for the week. And also let's look at some local supports too on this chart. Let's look at some local support. Okay, let's look at this area of value. Let's look at this area of value. This area of support too. If I scalper, you know, the market previously broke this support last week, even though I was hoping that it's going to long, but it broke this support last week and it's trading between this range. So if it breaks this local support too, we might just short to this trend line. So there are a lot of opportunities on this chart. So if it breaks this support too and does a retest, we short to this trend line, we allow it to maybe consolidate a little bit around this place, consolidate a little bit, and then if it breaks this one too, then we look for a little bit consolidation and we short. So my bias on Bitcoin is short, short, and short. But you know, one thing about the chart is that it does not really go in one direction. It might consolidate more inside this zone, and once there is a breakout, we short and target this area of value, which is the trend line. So from the trend line, it might consolidate a little bit more, long a little bit before it break out on this trend line. So for this week, let's just look for a breakout of this consolidation to downside and a retest, and then we short BTC. So let's look at Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum too. Let's look at Ethereum. So last week, I was projecting that Ethereum was going to long. I don't know if any one of you took that serious. I was projecting that Ethereum was going to long. If you watch last week's edition, yeah, I was projecting that Ethereum was going to long around this place, and it did. And it gave us a 1:4 trade. You can see it gave us a 1:4 trade, moved to the upside, came back, and here we are now. So Ethereum is now back at this support level. And what are we going to be doing is to find another chance to long and target this place too. Except that if Bitcoin breaks the support, if Bitcoin breaks that local support again, Ethereum might also dump too. So my bias on Ethereum is still a little bit long until maybe there is a breakout of this area of value, 1,863. So I'm looking for a scenario where Ethereum is going to like come down here. I'm not going to short Ethereum immediately. I'm looking for a scenario where it's going to come down here for me to short. And if it does not, I'm definitely going to find a long around here and target this high. So that is my scenario for Ethereum for this week. That will be what I'll be looking out for on Ethereum. So if Ethereum comes back to this support, this zone, we might find a long, and if it breaks it, we might follow the Bitcoin suit and short it. So last week I was scalping BNB. And I shorted it from this place to this place, which was a scalp trade. And I was saying that if you have a breakout of this symmetrical triangle, whether to the up or the downside, I'll be trading it. Then we broke out, and it was just a short move before the market started going up again. So now it is still this support zone for BNB, and market has moved a little bit out of that support actually. So, and it is now at this local resistance. You know, the crypto market has not been moving that much for a very long time. So you just have to like target the local areas of support and resistance. So I'll be looking for, even though the market is a little bit bullish, but the market is giving us a weak rejection. So I'm looking for a short around this area. If the market gives me opportunity to do that, it's short. I'm looking to short BNB around this area, place my stop loss here, and place my target for the week around here. That's a 3:1 risk to reward trade on BNB. And because the reason why I'll be looking for a short is that I believe that this market has given us a massive uptrend from this place on the lower time frame, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But the market could not make a higher high. Yeah. The market could not give us a very higher high because it only gives us a rejection, a weak rejection. And the rejection is like a, what do we call it? This hammer candle. The market has come up to test this area again, but it could not move up, telling us the market, the movement, the bullish movement is weak, and there is a high potential of rejection. So the market has come back to this area again and gives us a rejection again. So I might just be taking a short from this place to this place, this area, this 240.80, and that will be what I'll be taking on Ethereum or on BNB for the week. So do watch out for that. Look for entries on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, the market is already shorting already, so I'm just going to be entering here. I'm going to look at if the market reverses back here and enter, or if you just continue, I might just find a way to enter around here. Even though it's not going to give me the risk to reward I want, but then I'll just join the shorts and short the market. So that is a very clear reversal for BNB on the 1 hour time frame. So you can just join that, and if you make money from this, do make money from that, give me a comment in the comment section and tell me if you do make money from that. And also, one thing I've noticed about you guys that watch this video is that you really don't put up a comment in the comment section. I don't even know if you are really watching this video or you are benefiting from this video. And what matters is you benefiting and making money from the content and analysis I'm making in this video. So let me know in the comment section if you really make money or even at least benefit from the analysis I make on this channel, and it's going to give me a heads up and a little bit more motivation to make much more videos. So this is where we'll be stopping from the week. Just BTC, Ethereum and BNB. I hope you got value. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.